The new 17 Pro Max just got announced by Apple, and of course it does not come in a black color. However, I do have a dummy replica 17 Pro Max here, so I can showcase the new amFILM tempered glass screen protector. Now amFILM has sent this out to me to show you guys exactly how to install the screen protector. Now this one is their 2+4 pack, which includes 2 screen protectors and 4 camera lens protectors. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get inside. Inside, you're going to find 2 screen protectors, which already include the OneTouch frame, making it very easy to install, giving you perfect alignment every single time. You'll see an installation guide, 2 sets of screen protector installation accessories, 2 large dust removal stickers, 4 camera lens protectors, and finally a microfiber squeegee. So they give you all the stuff that is necessary to give you the perfect installation. So in order to install the amFILM OneTouch on your 17 Pro Max, you want to make sure, of course, you completely shut off the phone here. The next thing we're going to do here is make sure the screen is perfectly clean and clear of any type of fingerprints or any type of lint. In order to do that, the first thing we're going to do here is open up the screen protector accessories, which inside you'll find a wet wipe, additional dust removal stickers, and a soft microfiber cloth. First thing we're going to use is the wet wipe. You're going to open that up. You're going to take your 17 Pro Max. You're going to apply the wet wipe all around. Right after that, you're going to grab the microfiber cloth and you're going to dry that screen. Now this will make your screen nice and clean, but to ensure we don't have any type of lint or any type of dust particles on top of the screen, the next thing you want to do is grab one of these very large dust removal stickers here. Go ahead and peel that right off. And you're going to apply that right over your 17 Pro Max's screen. All right, next up, have your OneTouch frame already on the side. And now we're going to remove the dust removal sticker. All right, and with that, go ahead and make sure you inspect your phone one last time here. You want to make sure there's no type of lint or any type of dust on the actual screen. If you notice any type of lint on top of the screen, you can use one of these smaller dust removal stickers here just to ensure that you remove any type of lint from all around the phone. This is the part that I highly recommend taking your time and ensuring that there is nothing on top of the phone. All right, now you're ready to install the amFILM screen protector. The way you know you have the correct orientation is that you want to make sure you locate the top over here, and of course you want to match it up with the top of the Pro Max. Next thing here, you're going to flip this over and you're going to remove step number 1. I do recommend doing this face down to prevent any type of lint getting on top of the adhesive side. So go ahead and peel off step number 1. All right, once we have step number 1 off, make sure you inspect your phone, making sure there's no type of lint on top of the screen, and go ahead and place the frame over your 17 Pro Max. Once the frame's on top, go ahead and swipe from top to bottom, and you'll see the screen protector start to adhere all over the screen. I'll give you guys a nice little close-up here. You'll see all of that start to adhere. Go ahead and remove it from the top. This whole blue adhesive will come right off. And depending on your specific installation, you may notice some air pockets here. Some of them might be large, some of them might be very tiny. Maybe you end up completely bubble free, but as we can see here, we have 2 small air pockets here and 1 on the bottom. And so all we have to do is utilize the microfiber squeegee here and go ahead and start applying pressure, and you'll notice the air pockets go away. If it's a larger air pocket, you can go ahead and push it to the sides and it should automatically disappear. And go ahead, go around through your whole phone to make sure everything is nice and clean. As for the bottom here, same thing. We're just going to apply some pressure here and you'll notice that start to seal in. So I absolutely love the fact that amFILM includes this microfiber squeegee, which really comes in clutch to remove those smaller air pockets. So after that, we are now left with a beautiful installation, no type of air bubbles at all, which I absolutely love. Taking a closer look at the screen protector here, if I zoom in real quick, you'll notice here that the screen protector does give you a little bit of space between the edges of the phone to allow cases to be installed perfectly. So this is case friendly. If I to the side here, you can see the thickness of the glass a little bit here, so it does have a good amount of thickness here. And what I love about the screen protector is that it feels super smooth, much smoother than without the screen protector, which is one of my favorite features of the screen protector, since we have that oleophobic coating preventing fingerprints and oils, which I absolutely love. Now the next thing here is protecting our camera lens, and this amFILM does include a camera lens protector. Now you get 4 of these, so you have an additional one after you install this on all your 3 cameras. And so these are very easy to install. You just have one little adhesive that we just have to peel off. But before we do that, we want to make sure we clean the camera lens, of course. I'll go ahead and use the microfiber cloth and make sure the lens is nice and clear. If there's any type of lens, you can reuse these dust removal stickers to remove the lens. And in order to install, we just remove this blue tab. Be very gentle here. You don't want to pull it too fast because it might lift off the adhesive. Then you're going to flip it over and place it over one of the lenses here. And you can do this individually. Apply pressure, and then you can repeat that step for these additional cameras. And you can kind of see a side-by-side comparison from the camera lens protector and without camera lens protector here. So this will definitely provide protection in case you ever drop it. I'm going to go ahead and finish it here. I'm going to take the other two, quickly apply it over, pressure. The great thing is that these are very easy to install. All right, and just like that, we were able to install camera lens protector for all three camera lenses, and we still have one additional one in case one of these comes off, or if it breaks, you have an additional one just in case. So if you guys are looking for an awesome screen protector that gives you a ton of value, then I highly recommend checking out the amFILM OneTouch screen protector. I absolutely love the fact that they're giving you two screen protectors and giving you camera lens protectors in one low price, giving you some of the best value you'll ever find on a screen protector. You have one extra one just in case your screen ever gets broken, damaged, or you can share this with someone else that also has a 17 Pro Max. I recommend checking out amFILM, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Firewolf out.